Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug the HDMI cable into the laptop and the external display, then switch the monitor to the correct input. Make sure the laptop is on a stable power profile because power saving can block resolution changes. Once connected, use the keyboard shortcut, usually Windows plus P, to pick a basic mode, duplicate, extend, or second screen only, so you can see the display before changing resolution. This immediate setup gets you into the display settings panel without delay and prevents blind changes. Once done, open display settings and confirm which screen is which. Click Identify so you don't change the wrong display. Select the external monitor, choose its native resolution for sharpness, then adjust scaling if text or UI looks too small. Next, use Advanced Display Settings to change the refresh rate, higher for smoother motion, lower for compatibility. If needed, open the adapter properties to force color depth or create a custom resolution. Make sure to apply and test each change to avoid unsupported modes. Finish by applying settings and waiting for the confirmation prompt. If the screen goes black, accept the revert option or Windows will auto-rollback. If the external display shows no signal or wrong colors, swap the HDMI cable and port first. Bad cables cause most failures. Next, update or reinstall the graphics driver because driver mismatches often block custom modes. If problems persist, reset the monitor to factory defaults and use the display's native modes. This usually restores compatibility and a stable output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.